Hi all, welcome back. So, in this series of problem solving, we are going to solve Java loops to hackering problem. Let's move to code. So, in this problem, we have given a series, as you can see here, a plus to the power 0 into b. Like this, the series is given, and our input format is like the first line contains an integer q denoting the number of queries. This problem is about first we have to take input, and according to that input how many number of queries, I mean how many number of series you want to print. Suppose if you first of all take one, then only one series will be printed like this. Okay, if we taken 2 q as an integer, then two series will be printed. So they are giving some constraints. And the sample input, like this is our q. This is our q. Q means what integer, what input first in the very first line we are taking. That how many series we are going to print. So because we have taken two, that's why there two series is 0, 2, 10 and 5, 3, 5. And a sample output this series according to this series is 2 6 14 30 62 and so on. And for the second series 535, the output is like 8 14 26. Okay, so they are giving explanation that a equal to 0, b equal to 2, n equal to 10. As above mentioned, they taken q equal to 2, means integer taken by 2, and then three inputs, a equal to 0, b equal to 2 and n equal to 10, and then simply we put in this series the value of a, b and n. Similarly the second row, a equal to 5, b equal to 3 and equal to 5. So let's move towards our problem. So mostly of the code is already written. This t is q. It means this t will take our first input, that how many series we want to print. For int I equal to 0, I less than t, I plus plus, all okay in this, and a, b and value we are taking. So after that, what we have to do, simply we have to take a for loop for printing that series. I am writing the code for printing that series only. So we will start from j equal to 0, j less than n, n is our this input what we will take here. Okay, j less than n and j plus plus, we will increment each time the value of j. After that, how we will print a series, the whole logic is moving around it. How we will print that series which is given here, as you can see, a plus 2 की power 0 into b plus, it's a kind of subsequent series. Yeah, okay, so let's print it. We'll take a is equals to a plus, so in Java we have pow function, we will use that, math dot pow. Why we are using pow here is because every time the power of 2 is increasing. First time 2 की power 0, then 2 की power 0, 2 की power 1, and then to the power 0, 1, 2, like this. So power of 2 comma j. Why j? Because j less than n, and n is our this input, and till this n we want to print the series, like here the output as you can see 2 6 14. So till the n, okay, into b, okay, and we will parse this whole into, we will do typecasting int and enclose with a bracket. Now we have to print the value of a, okay, a plus. Now why this gap? This gap is because they are printing all their values as you can see in one line. So this will give the space between the values, and the second series they are printing in the next line. So we will use here print ln in the second line. I mean that for the first series and for the second series, as you can see the output. In the next line, these values 8, 14, 26 are printing. That's why we are using print ln. Okay, let's run our code. So we got an error. So what's the error? It's saying j is not defined. Okay, we have a not defined j. Now it will be work fine. Let's run our code. As you can see, the desired output we will get as 2, 0 to 10. All the test cases we have passed. So that's it. We will come up with our next video. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe. Thank you.